Can I ask you a question, Father? Do you know anything about La Llorona?
The Weeping Woman.
It's a folktale.
To some.
Stay in the car, okay? And please don't wake up your sister.
It's your fault! I tried to stop her!
Who did you try to stop?
La Llorona.
Sam! Sam, let me in! What's going on?
The Curse of La Llorona.